the next step of the rebrand will be the one that concerns you the most, I reckon, to our loyal investors. So, Domi, will you just want to jump in?
Yeah, of course. So I know you are probably having concerns when we now explain what we are doing, how we will relaunch, but you probably also understand why we have to do it like this. So yeah, on the crypto space, you can't just rename stuff, because it's code, it's deployed in the net, and you can't change anything about it. So we have to relaunch a new contract, deploy a new contract, and we will do this with a pre-sale. But you don't have to worry. We will also check the holders to exact point, and we know who has how many coins at that point. Exactly. And you will get 1 to 3 exchange. You will get an airdrop, exactly the right amount you had before, but
equivalent,
but tripled. Because we want to raise the max supply from 100 million to 300 million. And of course, overall. And let's say you had 1 million tokens in the snapshot we are doing, or already did.
We can't discuss this now.
Of course not. And you will get then 3 million tokens. Because we want to raise the supply, we also have to give you triple the amount you had before. And do you want to go into the soft and hard cap, or?
The hard cap will be around 1,000 token, 1,000 BNB. So 1,000 token, 1,000 BNB. And we want to kickstart this to a whole new level.